In this video, we will go through the steps of how to organize a Business Central trial account. First of all, navigate to this link, dynamics.microsoft.com. Then choose Business Central from the product list. Once the page is loaded, you should see Try for Free button, close to the sign-in link and Profiles icon. You'll need to provide your work email. Unfortunately, public domains like Gmail, Outlook, and etc. won't work here. Then follow the steps you'll receive from the email from Microsoft team. After the account creation, if you already have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you should see the Business Central icon in the Business Applications tab, as shown in this slide. If you don't have a Microsoft 365 account, but you'd like to experience native integration of Business Central with the Office products, SSO, and other features the synergy of Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365 provides, you can also organize a trial account for Microsoft 365. For this, just follow the provided link products.office.com/trial and follow the steps on the page. You can also access your Business Central instance by following the direct link businesscentral.dynamics.com. A trial account goes with the pre-configured database for demo purposes, which we will use during this course. And if you'd like to extend your trial, then at the end of the trial period, you should receive a pop-up message with the extension link. If for some reasons there is no pop-up message, you can follow the link provided on this slide to access the extension page directly. And to cancel your trial, you got at least two options. First option is to ask Microsoft 365 admin to remove the subscription from your account, or simply email to cancelbusinesscentral@microsoft.com directly, asking the Microsoft team to cancel the trial for you. And in the next video, we'll start playing with Business Central.